Hi there. Welcome back to Profitero. My name is Matthew, and today is Tuesday. And on Tuesdays, we talk trades. And so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what my thoughts are about trading. I'm a trading novice. Usually, I just focus on EFTs or ETFs and keep it very simple and very basic. And I don't do a lot of stock trades. And so this is an opportunity for me to learn from you, and I'm going to put out some of my own ideas. I'm not an investor in the sense of playing the stock market. I don't do stock like daily stock trades, that kind of thing. And so I'm generally a very conservative investor. Most of my work has always been in property and real estate, or business. So with that, I did some research, and one of the things that I wanted to explore was a stock tracker. And so I looked online and I found one that I'm not connected to or affiliated with. And again, this is not investment advice or financial advice or anything. I'm not an attorney and I'm not giving you any guidance. This is just what I'm doing. So I'm going to try out stockscan.io. And this is an interesting AI app that's based on tracking certain political people and seeing what they're invested in. And so tonight, I just wanted to go over Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi's stock tracker. And in that, on this application for her stocks, her and her husband have over 15 stocks that they're recently moving into and or have moved into in the last few years. And so I'm going to just go over those a little bit, not in a terribly in-depth analysis. We just don't have time for that tonight, but just to kind of go over exactly what I'm doing as far as that goes. So of those 15, there's one that's not available through Cash App, and that is that's their stock ticket code is AP, and I forget what that stands for, but it's not available on Cash App. So I'm not going to use that one. The remaining 14 I am going to invest in, and so I'm not, as of the recording of this, I'm not invested in any of them yet, but to go over them just briefly here. First one that I'm looking at is American Express. This is something that Nancy Pelosi is in. They've had it for quite some time. The next one is Micron Technologies. American Express, that stands for AXP, or the stock ticker is AXP. Micron Technologies is MU. Visa, which is just simply V. Salesforce, which the stock name is CRM, and Tesla, which is TSLA, Disney, which is DIS, PayPal, which is PYPL, Alphabet, which is Google, so that's the stock ticker is GOOGL, Netflix is NFLX, Roblox, which is RBLX, Microsoft, which is MSFT, Apple, which is AAPL, NVIDIA, which is NVDA, and finally, the most recent one, and this is in reverse order, which one they had the longest, is the one I started out with first, and now the most recent one, which was earlier this year, they invested pretty heavily into Palo Alto Networks, which is PANW. So I've heard really interesting things about people speculating online about Nancy Pelosi and the Pelosi family and how they've created a really huge fortune based on their stock choices. And so that's an interesting concept to me. I'm going to report back next Tuesday on any gains that I've seen on that, where the stock has gone up or down. So this is just kind of kicking off this playlist. This playlist will be called Trading Tuesdays and or Tuesday trades. and I'd love to hear what you guys are looking at. What stocks are you most interested in right now? What trades are you moving towards? Are you focused on stocks themselves, ETFs? Are you looking at bonds, or maybe cryptocurrencies? That will come up in a future Tuesday where we talk about cryptocurrencies too. But I would love to learn from some of you that have experience in this. So if you have something that you could share with the rest of the community, please make a comment or message me here. I'll be happy to respond to that. And I'm excited to learn from you. So have a great night, and see you next Tuesday when I report back on how these went. Thanks.